Let nothing obscure the truth of what is. Strip thought to its form, no emphasis. Do only what is necessary, clear and plain. Freedom begins when you loosen the chain. Keep the course of nature in your stride, where the art of living is to stay alive. Treat each thing as it is, not as desire creates. The mind is steady when it cooperates. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Look at how swiftly all things vanish.